So I thought I'd just do a quick little fun one for the school holidays. How to make your own gummy lollies. Now, we've had a trial run of these and they came out pretty yummy, didn't they, guys? We made yellow ones.
Lemon flavoured.
Yep.
We do boysenberry jelly, purple.
Yes. It's pretty cheap, it's pretty easy. First thing you will need, half a cup of water in a pan.
Now the jelly.
Yep. Now we want to add one, I just use the value brand jelly, it's like 65 cents. You want to tip a whole packet of that in. Olivia's going to tip half in and Aston's going to tip half in.
I do the first half.
That's
enough.
Water.
That's
No, that's not half.
That ain't half, mister. Yeah. Try and pour it on that edge. Actually, no, make a mountain. White powdery snow on top of a mountain.
Can you get a tablespoon out, Sam? Know what a tablespoon is? I'm not sure how long I've had this gelatin for, but according to the packet, it expired in 2016, but it's still fine. Okay, it's still fine to use. I've had it for years. This might even be the last little bit of it. I'll tell you what, just tip that all in, because a tablespoon is literally all that's in there. So there you go, you can tip.
And on top of that mountain, we want a white mountain of gelatin.
Then you just want to turn the stove top on a very low heat.
That's enough.
And just give that a stir up and let it dissolve over. It should take more than about 5 minutes just to fully all dissolve together.
Give me.
That didn't take long just to mould in. Now, this little mould, I just got this, it's actually an ice cube tray and it's just got nice little things in it. I got that from the warehouse for $2. Now, last time I made it, we actually made more than enough I didn't fill these all the way up because they make pretty huge lollies. I made them about halfway. But we had some left over, so I thought I'm going to use this little mini muffin tray as well and make some larger, flatter shaped ones too. Right, so then you want to just leave them out on the bench until they are fully cooled down to room temperature. And then when they've cooled down, put them in the fridge. They'll need to be in the fridge for at least half an hour.
I think nice is to pull out foliage.
Right, so who wants to test if they're ready?
Yeah! Which they've actually fallen out.
You'll all be licking your head. Right, so they have set nicely. You guys all want a big one. You realise they're a bit lower. So, now, getting them out of the moulds. I mean, they're pretty, it depends on your mould, you'll come up with a technique. But I've found, out the way guys. Last time I just used a spoon handle. And it actually works really well just to lever them out. Oh. And look at that beautiful little jewel we've just created. Nice and soft and squishy. Now, let's just talk about storage. Okay, you want to store these in an airtight container. I actually use an old margarine bottle, but the best way of storing them is in the fridge, because it just helps them to kind of keep their structural integrity. But yeah, I tried storing some and stop poking them. I tried storing some in the pantry and I just found they kind of started to melt. It was quite a warm day too, but they did just kind of start melting a little bit. And they just, you know, they didn't bounce back very well. They lost a bit of their squishiness.
Boing, boing,
I would
boing.
say if you're going to put them in lunch boxes, they'll be fine. Because let's face it, they're not going to last past morning tea time anyway, would they?
Well, most of them wouldn't at least.
Or if you like smuggling them into the movies in your handbag. Not that I would ever do that. Oh, look at
My one.
that. Oh, look at
I
that.
dipped it. I dipped it.
Little disc of yumminess.
Hey, Mum, I want
So we're
That's my one.
Just wait. So there we go, along with some of the yellow ones I did earlier. So now I'm going to come and feed these. They're natural predators. The prey is coming for the predators. Now, hang on. I said Sam could choose first because she had poked them the least. Right, guys. Verdict. What are they like? Texture? Are they nice and
Yum.
This smells good. Olivia's doing the lick test. Do they sound okay?
Yeah.
You tried listening to them? Yep.
The wibbles sound okay. The vibrations are good. Yep. Bubbles. Yep. Good.
I'm going to have one of these as well.
Yep. That one's okay.
That's pretty yummy.
Awesome, Molly.
Cheers.
Cheers, dude.
Leave us a comment, guys. Let us know if you give this a go. Hit like, hit subscribe, and make some lollies. Yay!
And eat them too. That's the best bit. Yeah.